Welcome back to Learning with a Difference, and this is Meenakshi. A few days back, I received a comment to prepare school morning assembly anchoring script on Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam, and this is for you. A resolution is the strongest emotion in the world. People who have achieved success in their lives are pretty determined. They never let the failure to take over their feelings. Therefore, make sure that you are determined about your goal. A hearty and warm morning to each and everyone present here. Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam once quoted that failure will never overtake me if my determination to succeed is strong enough. And it's true. Failure never shake our self-esteem if we are determined enough to achieve our goals. And with these motivational lines, I, Meenakshi Chaudhary, with my classmates, welcome you all in today's morning assembly. Starting our day with remembering God says that we put Him first and He is a priority in our life. And spending time with God is always valuable, precious, and important. So let's start our day with God's prayer. Now, everybody join your hands and close your eyes. Start prayer. After prayer and pledge. We are presenting today's assembly in the memory of our 11th President Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam, the person who dedicated his entire life to the country and its people, especially school children. We feel proud. We feel proud when we talk about such a great patriot who worked hard to make India a developed nation and serve till his last breath. He was not only scientist, writer, and president, but also a man of inspirational thoughts. So, why to miss the opportunity? Let's get inspiration from his words and thoughts. For today's thought, I would like to invite on stage Yamini from class 9th. Good morning, everyone. My name is Yamini. Thought of the day is all of us do not have equal talent, but all of us have an equal opportunity to develop our talents. Thank you very much and have a nice day. After thought and after news. Dr. Kalam is an inspirational figure to many young minds, and he is one of the sharpest minds of the 20th century, popularly called the Missile Man of India or People's President of India. He was often seen encouraging young researchers and aspirants. Let's we remember him and his accomplishments in the form of Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam quiz. Let us check how well do we know him. And for today's GK quiz, I would like to invite Mayank from class 9th. Good morning everyone, my name is Mayank and I am here in front of you with today's GK quiz. So the first question is, thank you very much Mayank for enhancing and testing our knowledge. Nothing is impossible if we are courageous enough. Dr. Kalam never stopped working and dreaming just because of failure. Instead, he worked harder and made us believe that hard work forever pays. Why did APJ Abdul Kalam inspire us? Or what can we learn from Dr. Kalam? Let us know more about such a tremendous personality. And next, I invite on stage Amrit from class 9th to deliver a speech. Thank you very much, Amrit. And after speech and national anthem, dear friends, Dr. Kalam once said, creativity in children leads to a culture of excellence. Creativity, innovation, and imagination of the children can completely change the future of the country in the right direction. Dear friends, let's we all together work for the betterment of the society and technology for the glorification of India. And with this, today's assembly is over. Thank you very much to all of you for your cooperation. Have a nice day.